In last video, we have seen how to solve a pair of linear equation by elimination method. So in today's video, we will be framing the linear equation and then we will solve the linear equation by elimination method. So basically we are going to solve the statement problems. So the first question goes like this: form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution by elimination method. The first question is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. It becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So you know, for a fraction you should have a numerator and denominator. So which are the two variables here? We will take the numerator variable as x and the denominator variable as y. Then we will frame two linear equations. So first we need to fix the variables. Since it is a pair of linear equation in two variables, always there will be two variables as well as two equations. To solve a pair of linear equations in two variables, we need two equations. So you need to frame two equations. So let us frame that equation. So let the numerator be x and denominator be y. So our fraction is x by y. Now we'll frame the equation. If we add 1 to the numerator, if we add 1 and means plus sign to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. So you're going to subtract 1 from this denominator. So minus 1 since it is subtraction. The fraction. So now if you do like this, our fraction reduces to 1. This is equation number 1. Now it becomes half. It becomes half means again our fraction is like this. It becomes half. When it will become half, if we only add 1 to the denominator, just add 1 to the numerator, 1 to the denominator, numerator you leave as such. So our fraction will become half. So this is the second equation. Now you need to solve these two equations. So how will you solve this? First you need to simplify. We'll make it in the linear form. So cross multiply this. So when you cross multiply, x plus 1 equal to 1 into y minus 1. That is x plus 1 equal to y minus 1. I will take y to this side and 1 to the other side. So our first equation has changed like this: x minus y equal to minus 2. Now we will solve in the same way. We will simplify this equation also. Cross multiply 2x equal to y plus 1. See, 2 into x, 1 into y plus 1 is y plus 1 only. Now bring that y to this side equal to 1. So we have now our equation has become like this. First equation is x minus y equal to minus 2. I will, since already I have given these two equations as 1 and 2, I will write this as 3, and this one is 2x minus y equal to 1. So let this be 4. Now here already the coefficient of this variable is same, isn't it? 1. So what we need to do, and they are in same sign, so you need to subtract it. So I am going to change 3 minus 4. I am going to subtract this. When you subtract, you have to change the sign. Now y and y, this will get cancelled, this will get eliminated. Now 1 minus 2 is minus x, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So what will be the value of x? X is 3. So numerator is 3. Now we'll find out denominator. To find out denominator, any of the equation you can substitute, you will get the answer. So I will be substituting in this equation 2x or 2x equal to y plus 1. We can substitute here 2 into 3 equal to y plus 1. 6 is equal to y plus 1, or y equal to 6 minus 1, which is equal to 5. So our fraction has become, numerator is 3 and denominator is 5. So what is our fraction? 3 by 5 is our fraction. We got the answer for this. So it is very simple. Just you need to frame the equation, and elimination method is always easier than substitution method. You need to eliminate one of the variable. Here the coefficient is same. So again it is easy. Just you need to subtract, eliminate it, and you will get the answer. Now the second question is like this. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? So as usual, we'll fix the variables. Let the present age of Nuri be X and present age of Sonu be Y. Now we'll see. 5 years ago. That means 5 years ago means you have to subtract. 5 years ago, Nuri's age, present age is X. 5 years ago, Nuri's age will be X minus 5. Nuri's age was thrice. Thrice means 3 times. Twice means 2 times. Thrice as old as Sonu. Sonu's age is Y. His age also we need to subtract before because it is 5 years ago. Now, next equation you will frame. So, let this be the first equation. 10 years later. 10 years later means X plus 10. Nuri will be, so 10 years later, Nuri's age is X plus 10 will be twice as old as Sonu. Twice as old as Sonu. So, he will be also, his age will be Y plus 10. So this is our second equation. Now we will write in the standard form, that is Ax plus By plus C equal to 0 or Ax plus By equal to C. We will write in that form. So X minus 5, open the bracket, 3Y minus 15. So I will bring the Y to this side, so which is equal to minus 15 plus 5. So we have the equation X minus 3Y equal to minus 10. This is my first equation. Now we will frame the second equation. So second equation is X plus 10 equal to, open this bracket, 2Y plus 20. X minus 2Y equal to 20 minus 10. X minus 2Y equal to 10. Let this be equation number 2. So we got, so since already we have given equation number 1 and 2, we can give this as 3 and 4. Now we will solve 3 and 4. So X minus 3Y equal to minus 10. X minus 2Y equal to 10. So this is very easy because the coefficient of X is same. You need not multiply anything. Coefficient of X is 1. So I will, to do this, since the sign is same, I will subtract 3 minus 4. So minus, change the sign, this will become plus, this will become minus. Now minus 3Y minus 2 plus 2Y is minus Y, because one is minus sign, other is plus sign. Subtract and put the bigger number sign. So minus Y equal to, both are minus sign, so add and put the minus sign, minus 20. So Y equal to 20. Age cannot be negative. So the Sonu's age is 20 years. Sonu's present age is 20 years. Now we need to find out Nuri's age. Any of this equation you can substitute. So I will substitute X minus 3Y, so which is equal to X minus 3Y equal to minus 10. So X minus 3 into 20 equal to minus 10. X minus 60 equal to minus 10. X equal to minus 10 plus 60. So X equal to 50 years. So age of Sonu is 50 and age of Noori is 20 years old. Next question is, solve this pair of linear equation by elimination method. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. X minus y by 3 equal to 3. Seeing the fraction, you should not get any confusion. You just need to make it in the standard form, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and then you need to solve it. So here, first equation, I am going to take the first equation, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So what you should multiply with 2 to get 6? 3. Same number you should multiply in the numerator also. 3x plus, same way, what you should multiply with 3 to get 6? 2. 2 2s are 4y equal to minus 1. So I have 3x plus 4y, this cross multiply this equal to minus 6. So this is your equation number 1. Now we'll take, you can write as 3 because already we have given this as 1 and 2. Now take the next equation, x minus y by 3 equal to 3. Here also you take the LCM. LCM is 3. So 3x minus y by 3 equal to 3. So I can write 3x minus y, cross multiply this is 9. So this is your fourth equation. Now you need to solve 3 and 4. So the third equation is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6 and 3x minus y equal to 9. It is very easy since the coefficients are same. So this is our third equation and this is our fourth equation. So we need to subtract 3 minus 4. So change the sign. This will get cancelled. 5y equal to, both are minus, add and put the minus sign, minus 15. Y equal to minus 15 divided by 5, which is equal to minus 3. Now substitute in any of the equation, you will get the value of x. I substitute in the fourth equation, 3x minus y equal to 9, 3x minus 3 equal to 9, 3x plus 3 equal to 9, 3x equal to 9 minus 3, 3x equal to 6, x is equal to 6 by 3, which is equal to 2. So the answer for x and y is, x is 2 and y is minus 3. If you do this question by substitution method also, you will get the same answer. So when compared to the substitution method, elimination method is easy. Until and unless if they have not specified any method, I will recommend you have to go with elimination method. So thank you for watching the video.